Welcome back to Texas Cafe Classics. Today we are going to talk about one of the more popular vegetables on the steam table. Now, it's fashionable these days to call these sides for some reason. What are your sides? You go to any restaurant in the United States and you order a hamburger steak or a ham steak or anything really, cheeseburger. What are and your sides, right? Sides, and then you say, well, I think I'll have fries and fried okra and green beans, and then what do they say?
Perfect.
Perfect, perfect. The world over, that's always the response. Perfect. Where did that shit come from? Does anybody know where that came from? Because here's what happens. If you say, wait, I think, no, let me have a side salad and, uh, and some black eyed peas, they'll say, perfect. Well, I thought the other. So, anyway, sides at the Floral Heights Cafe always included this delicious thing called creamed corn.